300,000 students per year benefit from Erasmus learning mobility opportunities. Many others, academics, researchers, and business people travel frequently to participate in conferences and workshops. The experience of moving across Europe for these purposes should be as seamless as possible. The EIDAS 2.0 digital identity technologies, and particularly the European Digital Identity (EUDI) wallet, will soon make this a reality. The EUDI will enable travelers to hold verifiable identity credentials and use them in every aspect of their mobilities. Verifiable credentials are trustworthy and tamper-resistant documents, stored in everyone's mobile phone, allowing their holders to disclose their contents only when required. Students, academics, and researchers can create and store in their mobile phones all the necessary documents to seamlessly participate in a conference or workshop. Using an early prototype mimicking the functionality of the European Digital Identity (EUDI) wallet app, we created a digital wallet service to enable participants in an international workshop to securely register, travel to the event location, and gain access to its facilities in a convenient and seamless manner. The EUDI wallets are going to be highly secure and trustworthy personal digital wallets, simplifying and protecting the citizens' digital interactions. EU citizens will be able to download a recognized EUDI wallet and link it to their own identity. As a result, the EUDI wallet will allow citizens to identify themselves, store and manage their data and official documents, identity documents and driving license, travel documents, educational identity credentials and qualifications, medical prescription, and much more. We demonstrated how we can use a wallet, with similar features as the EUDI wallet, to provide seamless and instant access to the workshop material and services, and issue ferry tickets and boarding passes to travel from the mainland to Syros. It's time to see how the participants used their wallets to register to the workshop, book their ferry tickets, and gain access to the venue. Log into service via UAegean ID presentation. Store the workshop ticket in the wallet. Authentication and the ticket discount via UAegean ID presentation.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Very well. I'm here for the workshop.
That's great. Can I please ask you a favor? Is it possible to scan this QR code just to make sure you have registered?
Of course, of course.
Thank you very much. That's great.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Let us now listen to what the actual pilot users have to say about their experience.
When you trying to prove your identity, I think it has to do that you have to show either your passport, your ID, or like driving license. So it means that you have to carry those documents with you all the time. And it's always this worry that you might lose one. The frustration comes to that. And also sometimes I do forget to take my IDs.
I was obliged to prove that I am me because my Greek identity was not okay.
When I go to the post office, they ask me like, yeah, but this is not a good identity.
One space for everything, I can find it easily. It has biometrics, so it's secure. That makes me feel safer, yeah, because I can understand that they do not have access to what I did.
Yeah.
So it's up to me.
It was kind of so and so. It's very easy to use once I get it to start going on.
It was a bit rough on the edges, but after that it was quite reassuring to know that they are not storing my data and that I only have access if I need to.
It was like kind of difficult. At first it was like I thought that it was easy.
I like this logging in process, by the way, that you log in with a QR code. The wallet has been super helpful, so I can get all my travel itinerary there in terms of like tickets and this type of documents.
Yeah, I would love to have everything stored in one place. But there's also a fear of, if you don't have reception somewhere, what happens then?
I would use it because it's way less cluttered.
I really think that it's a really good idea. We have in one app all we need.
I would love to use such an app and store anything that I can store, keys maybe.
I think I wouldn't mind storing my identity or my passport in a wallet like this. We tend to use certain applications without realizing how unsafe they are. For example, when someone asks like for my ID via email, the developers should really focus on and not just making the app secure, but explaining to people and showing and telling why is it secure and in what sense, and why is it more secure than what they've been doing so far.
A new decentralized paradigm for the web is emerging, Web 3, that is built around the individual instead of around organizations and where end users can own and control their data. It is Web 3 reality that supports this using digital identity wallets. The European Commission and the EWC Consortium create a personal storage, presentation and verification ecosystem to leverage the potential of Web 3 and create digital identity credentials for traveling and living cross-border.